In this video, I'm going to show you how to say goodbye to soap residue in your dishwasher with some easy fixes. A clean dishwasher means cleaner dishes every time. First, check your detergent. Using too much detergent or the wrong kind can cause residue buildup. Switch to a high-quality dishwasher detergent and use the recommended amount. Next, clean the dishwasher filter regularly to remove food particles that can cause residue. Run an empty cycle with a cup of white vinegar placed on the top rack. Vinegar helps break down soap scum and hard water deposits. If residue still appears, sprinkle a little baking soda on the bottom of the dishwasher and run another hot cycle. This helps remove leftover soap and deodorizes the dishwasher. Also, check your water temperature. It should be at least 120 degrees Fahrenheit, 49 degrees Celsius, for effective cleaning. You can adjust your water heater if needed. Finally, make sure your dishwasher's spray arms aren't clogged so water can circulate properly and rinse dishes well. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful home tips.